Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys items that you might have missed on the latest Dress to Impress update. So what you might have missed is that you can wear some of the men's outfits here. As you can see, this top, and you can toggle it to dirty. You can also put on this mesh top, which you can toggle to a bunch of options here. You can even make it thick like that. You can even wear these sweatpants, which I just knew now. These look comfortable, like super comfy sweatpants, and I just knew that you can wear them now. Well, I think that those are new. And then there's also these earrings from VIP that I also found out about. It's not hidden, but you might have missed it. It's these like cuff earrings. Okay, I think I gotta be bald for this. Here you'll be able to see it here. Okay, fine, I'll be bald for it. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.